Using Bgmi in the UK is incredibly easy. Today I'll guide you through the process. Here's what you need to do firstly. Choose a VPN provider. There are many options available, so it's essential to select a reliable one with plenty of servers in India. Popular choices include NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and ProtonVPN. Next, sign up for a VPN account. Once you've chosen a provider, create an account and subscribe to a plan. Then download and install the VPN application on your device. The app should be available for your device's operating system such as Android or iOS. After installation, connect to a VPN server in India. Open the VPN app and select a server location in India to establish a connection. Once connected to a VPN server in India, download and install Bgmi. Search for Bgmi in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and install it. Create a Bgmi account or sign in to your existing account. Finally, start playing Bgmi. Once signed in, you can enjoy the game as if you were in India.